I am Abhishek Pathak and here I am with the chapter Probability. Probability is the most interesting chapter of mathematics. I am basically targeting for the aspirants of JEE Mains, Advanced, NDA, Boards, etc. So let us start this introductory video. So first, our first focus will be simple definition of probability. Basically probability होता क्या है? प्रोबेबिलिटी इज द चांस ऑफ हैपनिंग ऑफ एनी इवेंट, किसी भी इवेंट के होने या ना होने के चांसेस को ही हम प्रोबेबिलिटी बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, मैंने एक कॉइन को टॉस किया, सो हेड आने की क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है? इट इज 1/2. इट इज वेरी इजी, वी ऑल नो, बट वी विल डिस्कस फर्दर complicated questions related to simple definition which may asked in JEE mains and boards. Our next topic will be addition theorem in probability. It is very important theorem for board and mains point of view. हर साल मेंस में इससे एक क्वेश्चंस आने फिक्स्ड हैं and it is very easy. We can score good marks by very little effort in this theorem. And in boards, one question is fixed from this theorem. So we will discuss very thoroughly this theorem. Our next topic will be independent events. इस टॉपिक में सबसे ज़्यादा डाउट्स आते हैं. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स एंड म्यूचुअल एग्जॉस्टिव इवेंट्स? सो we will discuss very easy manner what is the difference between independent and mutual exhaustive events, and we will solve many questions using Venn diagram. Venn diagram is easiest method to solve these questions, so we will learn how to use Venn diagrams for these questions. And ये Venn diagram and ये questions बहुत important हैं from JEE Mains, NDA and boards point of view. Our next topic and most important topic for JEE advanced point of view is total probability and Bayes theorem. It is very important for advance. हर साल advance में एक से दो questions इस theorem से आने sure हैं, and JEE mains में भी एक से दो questions तो आते ही हैं. It is very important theorem, and we will discuss in very easy manner how to solve these questions, and we will solve many questions related to it. Our next topic will be binomial probability theorem and probability distribution, in which we will discuss mean, variance, standard deviation, expectations, etc. ये जेई एडवांस के सिलेबस में तो नहीं इंक्लूडेड है, बट जेई मेंस और बोर्ड्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है. बोर्ड में एक क्वेश्चन आना इसका फिक्स्ड है, एंड जेई मेंस में भी एक दो साल में एक बार ये क्वेश्चन आ ही जाता है. At last, we will solve many questions from previous years as JEE Mains and Advanced. So stay tuned for all these questions, all these theorems solved in very easy manner. Thank you.